Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Snapchat friend request limit reached. So what this means that if you go to the Snapchat app and go to the chat option, as you can see, I'm in the chat area and at the bottom you should find add me request. From here I can easily request any of these person, but there will be a limit that I cannot request more person in a specific period of time, because every Snapchat user has that current limit. So if that limit is reached, what to do? In a day there is a limit that you can only request some people to like join randomly on Snapchat. So what you can do is you can just wait 24 hours until the limit refresh, or what you can do is just take back your request from the people that you just send them the request. Otherwise, there is no option of like increasing the friend request limit on Snapchat. To recap, today we covered how you can easily fix the limit reached on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.